Yeah, because he was working tonight, and he talked to Jeremy Lin after the game.
Well, thanks, AJ. Jeremy Lin, 14 of his 18 points in the fourth quarter. Kevin McHale told us Jeremy has to run the points. He has to play well for us to win. What did you see in that fourth quarter that wasn't there in the first three?
You know, I just try to stay aggressive, try to stay in rhythm, and really to God be the glory, because I was really struggling in the first half. Couldn't really get anything, and I got a couple shots to ball, a couple layups. So, you know, it's just a blessing from God.
Two great games by you back-to-backs. The previous night, great defense holding Tony Parker to just 6 points. How have you grown as a player both ends of the court?
I'm just trying to become better all around, and I know last year defense was really a weakness for me, and I worked a lot with my strength coach, Daryl Edo. He helped me a lot with just trying to be able to move better on defense, and so it's just something I'm trying to work on, but I'm not there yet.
You know what it's like to take advantage of an opportunity. What do you think of Monty Eunice here tonight?
It's been, tough for him. He's had a tough second year, just being kind of stuck on the end of the bench, and then just out of nowhere, he stayed ready, and he's been working really, really hard, and he came out and had a great fourth quarter, so I couldn't be happier for him.
All right, well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Back to you, Jay.
All right, Segs, 100-92. Houston outscoring Memphis 34-20 in the fourth quarter. Put that away.